Hi, my name is Ivan. I'm the general manager here at Blue Star Brothers. Today I'm here at an auto body and collision shop in Greenpoint, Brooklyn. Today I want to talk about one of our many fleet services. Let's take this fleet company for example. They have over 50 vehicles. The Department of Transportation requires them to install roof emergency exit hatches.
First, we start by saving all computer codes into a database. After removing all panels and making the proper opening, we treat and rust-proof the metal. Our technicians make sure that the new hatch is properly installed to prevent any water leaks. For more information, just give us a call or visit our website at www.bluestarbrothers.com.